Economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. The 10 principles of economics are introduced here to give you an overview of what economics is all about.
We should weigh the gains and losses when deciding between alternatives, because we face trade-offs. Let's suppose that you are enrolling in a university. The main benefits are intellectual enrichment and a lifetime of better job opportunities. Then what will be the cost? First, the following expenses would be incurred. However, this simple approach has two main pitfalls. First, even if you quit school, you need a place to sleep and food to eat. The charges for room and board are not the relevant costs of going to university. However, if there are additional costs for room and board when you go to university, then only the additional expenses should be included in the cost. Second, you should not forget to include the biggest cost of going to university, your time. So, the potential earnings you give up to attend school should be included in the cost. Opportunity cost refers to everything that you give up in making a certain choice. People who plan to go to university should thoroughly calculate the opportunity cost and gains of their choice. A very talented athlete may decide to play professional sports instead of going to university due to the huge opportunity cost.
Bestseller of Economics. Principles of Economics Graphic Edition.